this is Justice with Tablet Pro, and I'm showing you how to do shallow depth of field or cinematic video on an iPhone 12 Pro. So this is something that I know a lot of people would like to know how to do. It's actually not very hard anymore. It's not super simple, but you can do it, and I'm going to spin around here so you can get an idea for the quality. The first time I did this, I was pretending I was traveling through time. I'm traveling through time. 4,000 dislikes. No! That was shortly after I woke up, and now I've been awake for 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm using a camera app called Pro Camera. I am in portrait mode, and all you really have to do, like I'm portrait mode, also using the selfie camera, but you can use the front-facing camera, obviously. Harder to do that of myself. So you can see me in the background. Hello, me. So harder to do when you're videotaping yourself, but I'm also recording in landscape mode. And this did not work in the past for a couple different reasons. There was always other stuff on the screen, but with the recent updates to Pro Camera, it doesn't put this annoying little focus dot there. Okay, so right up here there's a plus minus. You can tap that. Tap it again. Oh, I think actually I have to tap the screen. My finger looks so weird. Okay, and tap again. Okay, so anyway, that's how you get rid of that reticule. That might be how you say that. It's weird looking over here at the camera, doing it this way, but that's kind of what you have to do no matter what. Okay, I'll go into the video editing app. I use Video Leap. It's fantastic. Best video editing app on an iPhone by far. So I'm not promoting them. They just are the best. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the editing side. Swipe in from the right. There we go. And this little circle right here, I have microphone on. You have to long press it, and then you choose start record where it has the word stop record will be start record. If you don't have that in your little widgets area, then you need to add it. I will show you how to do that as well. Okay. All right, if you don't have the screen recording app in there, go to settings and to control center, and then you need to find it down here. It looks like that red little icon, screen recording, this one right here, and that's the one you're going to add. All right, we're inside of Video Leap, and I'm in portrait mode. We're going to leave it in portrait mode. So here, you can see the video I just made. I'm going to tap on the video down here in the timeline, and I'm just going to spin it. Okay, cool. So that is spun, and now we need to change the format. Should be 16 by 9. So if for any reason those things come up, that's how you do it. Tap on it again here, and we can make this bigger so it fills more of the screen. And I would say right there, that's all you really have to do. Now, if you have some other different fancy needs, so let's add another video. Okay, so we've added a video. It's gone here to the end. We're going to drag this up, drop it into the B-roll section. Oops, we did the wrong video. Let's drag that one to the B-roll section. Okay, so let's say we wanted to get this one and we wanted to make it bigger or crop out this little section like right here. Okay, so we're going to go over here to mask and we're going to choose mirror. You can spread this out and adjust it so it does just the little part that you want. And this is going to fade it. So that actually is good. So if I tap here again, it'll let me select and move that. So I can have this over here. This program is really important. This is not the whole point of this video. And I'm showing you how to do shallow depth of field. Okay, it's pretty much everything. If you have questions, put it in the comment section. If you have a better way of doing this, let me know. This is obviously not full cinematic, but it is a really cool little hack. All right, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.